Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. Foremost, let me thank you all for visiting my video presentation. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. My name is Ade Raihan Nurdzaky. My NPM number is 24171015044. I am from Mechanical Engineering Department at Budi Utomo Institute of Technology. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is safety precaution. My talk is particularly relevant to those of you who are working in mechanical engineering field. This time, I am going to explain at the recent topic in PT Kabinindo Putra. In my presentation, I will focus on the three major issues in basic precaution should be taken. They are first, before starting work, second, during work, and third, finishing work. I will explain this topic around 6 minutes. Do not worry about the taking notes. I will put all the relevant information on a handout for you at the end of my talk. I can email the PowerPoint presentation to anyone who would like it. Alright, buddy. My first presentation, my first point concerns safety precaution is before start work. First, when you arrive at the factory environment, you should smile, say hello, and greet to all the employees you meet. Why should the above culture be implemented? Because it can foster a sense of togetherness among factory employees, whether working together or separately. Second, make sure to use fingerprint scanner for attendance as it tracks our presence at the factory. If we don't clock in using the fingerprint scanner, our attendance cannot be tracked by the supervisor and management. Okay, third, then keep your personal item in your designated employee locker. Make sure not to bring unnecessary items to the workplace. And don't forget to lock your personal locker. After that, we could move on to point four, which is point four. The point four is once all personal items are stored, head to your work area to attend a briefing with your supervisor leader, foreman, and teammates. This is necessary to ensure togetherness and awareness of our shared work environment, as there will be information provided about the activities of the previous shift, whether everything went well or there were any issues. Next, fifth, after the briefing, we received the safety commitment together before starting work. Why is it necessary? Because all employers have the responsibility to be pioneer of workplace safety. Then I go to highlight what I see as the main points of during work. First, we must ensure that our personal protective equipment is worn or fitted according to the specific work instruction. As seen in the slide, image the art safety helmet, safety shoes, work uniforms, gloves, glasses, masks, and earplugs. Second, then we head to our work machine using the green pedestrian path. If we don't walk on the green path, we will receive a warning from our coworkers or supervisor, and it could lead to a workplace accident. Third, warning signs. Make sure you understand and are aware of the symbol related to things that require attention and caution. Because if you don't understand, it could lead to accident at work affecting both yourself and others. Fourth, in die casting machine, before operating the machine, we need to check the work environment, the condition of the machine, and ensure that it is functioning properly. Then we fill out the checklist and prepare the tools we will used during the work process in accordance with the work instructions that have been set. Fifth, after we process the items according to the specified standard, we then store them in the trolley for inspection with the quality control team and proceed with packing for the next process. Okay, finally, I like to explain the finishing rule. First, after finishing work, we make sure to turn off the machine as it was before. Then, we must perform 5S or clean the workspace we've used throughout the day, so it is tidy and ready for use the next day. Second, store our safety helmets in the designated place, which is the safety helmet rack because if it gets lost, it is our own responsibility and we must replace it with a new one. Next, third, we go to the locker room to collect our personal items, make sure nothing is left behind, and lock our personal locker. And last, number four, once everything is finished and organized, don't forget to clock out using the fingerprint scanner. Then proceed to leave the workplace. Okay, if you have any question, don't be hesitate to ask me by leaving your comment below or send your question into my email at aderaihan@gmail.com. And that's all I can share regarding the safety precaution at PTK Bidin Putra. I apologize if there were any mistake in my words. Thank you and good morning. Bye bye.